Game solutions level 61 to 80. Level 61, how can this be correct? So we know 15 into 15 into 15 is not 45, but 15 plus 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 is 45. So we'll just use this canon to change the multiplication symbol into plus. So you have to click on the wheels of the cannon to adjust the position and then fire it. And we get the correct equation. Level 62, what occurs twice in a week, once in a year and never in a month? So it's the letter E, which is twice in week, once in year but not in month. Level 63, remove 6 sticks and make it 10. So you can see it's clearly there. It's written 10 in words. So remove all the useless matchsticks and we get our answer. Level 64, help this frog fly. So with your finger, block his nose so that it becomes breathless and flies towards heaven. Level 65, our cat is still hungry. So all the arrangement that's on the screen, let's use them all. So remove a matchstick from the matchbox, light it, use it to light the cannon, and this cat is still not happy. It got that. Level 66, I want 9 candies please. So click on the lid to open the box and then turn your device upside down and shake it so that they come up. Again shake. Let's shake it once more and we get a 9 candies. Level 67, click them from low to high. So it's not the value wise but from downwards to upwards. So let's start doing that. Level 68, don't tell me you forgot to buy his birthday present. Okay, I did, but I can find a present on the screen itself. Be happy. Level 69, click on the animals from smallest to biggest. So let's start clicking on the animals. So first the mouse, the lions and the elephant. Level 70, how can this equation work? The equation is 1000 plus 50 is equal to 8050. So to make the equation correct, we are missing 7000. So we can use the 70 from level number and use it to make 7050. Level 71, help the mother lion. So it's harassed by all the kids. So make the lioness lion by dragging the mane. Level 72, how many squares are there? So they're all triangles and even after jumbling they don't make a square over here. So the answer is 0. Level 73, press the button 100 times. That's quite tedious. So let's make the click once by dragging the 2 zeros out and then click once. Level 74, the fisherman is having a terrible day. Help him catch a fish. So we know that fish love worm and we also know that worms are found in the apple. So let's see if there are worms inside the apples. Okay, there it is. So use it as a bait to catch the fish. Level 75, she is so sad that she burned the eggs. Please cheer her up. So let's let her go back in the time so that the egg becomes better and she is happier. Level 76, how many rectangles are there? Let's drag them out. Okay, so there are 4. Level 77, how many balls are there? You can see 3 in one basket. Let's invert the basket to see if there are any hidden ones. So that's 5 plus 5, 10 balls. Level 78, how many cubes are there? So you can see 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 beneath the upper 3 cubes which are behind. So that's 6 plus 3, and 1 is hidden on the left side just out of the screen. So that's 9 plus 1, which is 10. Level 79, turn on the TV please. So let's complete the circuit by touching the wire ends with 2 fingers so that the TV can be turned on. Level 80, today is Jim's second birthday. Light the candles for him. So we have one lighted matchstick, use it to light the candle, and then it's off. So use this candle to light the other candle, and we are done. Thank you so much.